Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You're going straight to settings now. Don't waste time. Open the Facebook app or desktop menu and choose Settings and Privacy, then Settings. Once you're there, scroll to Privacy or find Blocking in the left column. That's the control panel that lists blocked accounts. You're starting the unblock process by locating the block list. Make sure you're signed into the correct account and have stable internet before moving to the next step. Now you'll review the actual block list to identify people you've blocked. Open Blocking and scan the entries. Use Find or the app search to jump to a name if the list is long. Once you see a name, tap the profile link to confirm it's the right person. Some accounts use similar names. This step prevents accidental unblocking. If you need to remember why you blocked them, check past messages or timeline activity before you decide. To finish, click Unblock beside the person's name and confirm. You'll be warned that they can interact with you again. Once done, note you don't automatically become friends. You'll need to send a new friend request if desired. If the unblock button is unresponsive, log out and back in, clear the app or browser cache, or try a different device. Sometimes permissions or sync issues block changes. If problems persist, wait a few minutes and repeat the unblock attempt.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.